In this question, we will find what is the gravitational potential and how to find out the gravitational potential. Suppose they given an infinite number of masses at a distance, suppose 1 meter, 2 meter and 4 meter and 8 meter and up to so on, like this. Suppose n number of masses given and having the distance 1 meter, 2 meter, 4 meter and 8 meter given. Okay, or up to what? Infinite. And this is the very special case in the physics. Okay, so which is a very famous question. So infinite number of bodies given having the mass what? 2 kg they given already, and you have to what? Gravitational potential we want. So I am finding the solution. So whenever they given a such type of question, how to find out? Okay, so look at this. We know that what? We know that what is the gravitational formula for gravitational potential? So gravitational potential, the formula is what? Minus gm upon what? R. Minus gm upon R. This is the formula for gravitational potential, and G is the, here is the gravitational, universal gravitational constant, and here is the mass, and R here is the distance. Okay, so G already they given a constant and mass is already constant. So I am putting the value of all in this case. So first, suppose I am calculating for the, take the negative sign outside and take G also outside. Okay, G also outside. First I am putting the value of mass. First at the first point, here is 2 divided by, what is the distance? 1 plus. Second, mass is 2, distance is what? Distance is 2. Okay. Yeah, फिर we can say, I think they given a like this, a distance 1 meter, 2 meter, ऐसा like this, and suppose they given a mass is 2 and 4 and distance is 4 and 2 divided over 16 and up to what? Infinite. Okay, they given a series such like this. Okay, now so, and suppose I am take the 2 outside also. I am taking the 2 outside also. So suppose I am taking a 2 outside, it becomes what? 2z. And remaining part here is what? Only here is 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and what? 1 by 8 plus 1 upon 16 and up to what? So on. And suppose if you look at this carefully, suppose if you look at this carefully, it forms a what? Infinite GP. It forms an infinite GP. What is the infinite GP? Infinite GP means geometric progression. I think you are aware of geometric progression. In case of geometric progression, there is a some multiplication factor is there. Suppose I am situated at here and I want to move from here. Then simply I will multiply in this factor what? 1 by 2. Suppose I want this, I will multiply 1 by 2 from this. Suppose if I am multiplying previous value with 1 by 2, then I am getting the next value. Suppose I multiply 1 by 2, I will get 1 by 4. Suppose I am multiply in 1 by 4 with 1 by 2, I am getting what? 1 by 8. That means this is the case of what? This is the case of infinite GP. And for infinite GP, the sum formula is what? Sum formula is this. What? So the infinite GP formula is A upon 1 minus R. The formula of infinite GP is what? A is equal to 1 minus R. And what is the value of, what is A? This is the what? First term. This is what? First term. And this is what? Factor. This is what? Factor. So here is the, what is the value of R? Here is the value of R. Suppose I am moving from here to here. What is the value of R? 1 by 2. So we can say here is R is what? 1 by 2. Here is 1 by 2. We can say the value of R here is what? R here is 1 by 2. And what is the value of A? A is the first term. And what is the value of A? Here is A is 1. And putting the simple value in this video. In this, so the sum of GP is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2. And it becomes what? What? Suppose I am solving this, so it becomes 1 upon 1 by 2. Okay, then you will get what? The infinite GP, the formula of infinite GP is what? 2. sum of formula what? The formula for I am getting the sum of this what? Here is 2. So the final answer of this question is 2g multiply what? Then we will get what? Minus ka 4g is the right answer of this questions. And this question came, I think 2013, which is very famous question. So I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, you can put the comment in video.